same way it's calling you hi baby, hi boo, hi love, is nothing special. But this morning when I checked, your last scene was showing me 1 a.m. Why are you telling me you slept at 11 p.m? The next day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, there's no like, no hi, no hello, because you cannot be the only one interested in him when you're not a detective. I'm not there to do questioning and answering. It's not a questioning section, it's a conversation. It's like, hi, hello, how are you? They don't even know your name. The next thing is, can I see a sexy picture of you? Please, I will advise you, run faster than Usain Bolt. You have to run. Hey, oh, you know what, my dog is not feeling too well, I have to take her to the vet. Uncle, what's going on? Top of one person's head. Hello gist partners, you're welcome once again. Yes, without much talking, let's just jump right into today's video. In today's video, I'll be discussing 7 things you should never ignore when like online dating, like you're like, you know, trying it out, like online dating. These 7 things, please do not ignore. Sis, don't ignore it. Number 1 is getting too romantic or too committed very early. Like, let me explain. Like, you just meet a guy, like, you know, yesterday, like you guys practically like just said hello yesterday, and today he's already calling you hi baby, hi boo, hi love, hi this. Please, sister, you have to check it. You have to like share it out. Because the same way it's calling you hi baby, hi boo, hi love, hi sweetie, hi this. People that just started talking yesterday, just know that it's the same way it's calling like every other girl he chats with. Hi baby, hi boo, hi love, hi sweetie. Like, it's nothing special. It's just like, you know, playing games. It's just like, I don't know how to put it, you understand, it's just like playing games, because guys have not even discussed anything. Maybe you don't even know his name at this point too. It's already hi baby, hi boo, hi love, hi this, hi that, oh baby, oh sweetie, oh please. That is like a red flag. It's a like no. Number 2 is when they play the like MIA on you. Hey, let me break it down. Let's assume you start chatting with a guy today. You guys chatted today, like the conversation was so beautiful, it was nice, everything was going fine, you guys are flowing, you guys are chatting, you guys are talking, everything, you know, like everything is just fine. Next day, not even a greeting, not even a hi, not even a hello. Maybe you now decide to be the first person to say hi or hello, and then perhaps that is when he now like replies you, and maybe you guys chat a bit. Then the next day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, there's no like, no hi, no hello. Then like the 6th or the like 7th day, he now comes to do hi. Like, seriously, hi after 6 days. Please, that's why I say no. When you just see that red flag, just know that it's not a serious somebody. Like, it's not a serious somebody. It's not someone you should waste your energy on, because if he's really interested in you, you will see it. Yes, he might be busy with work, he might not check up on you like every minute of the day, every time, but at least once in 2 days, or just like drop a message, or just to like just keep the person aware that, oh, I'm busy, so like I might not be like, you know, chatting you regularly these days, I'm so swamped with work and all that. Like, when you know that someone cares about you, someone is thinking about you, like, you know, like you will just see, you just know the sign. Not writing you today, writing you 5 days later, right after that 5 days later will not write again for another 3 days, then they give for another 4 days. Oh please, it's not a serious somebody. Like, it's a no. Number 3 is when he shows no interest about you. Like, the one asking all the questions, like, oh, where do you live, where are you from, like, what's your occupation, like little details about you, like, okay, what do you do, what's your hobby, all those kind of, like, you know, little conversation. You are the only one doing all the asking, all the questioning. If you don't initiate any conversation, then you guys will just be like that. Please. Oga is not serious. Oga is not interested in you. Oga is not ready. So at this point, please check it, and check it well. Like, before check them well, may you check them well. Hey, yeah, because you cannot be the only one interested in him when you're not a detective. Please, he should also be interested in you. You're not there to do questioning and answering. It's not a questioning section, it's a conversation. It should go both ways, not one person asking on the question. Please, when you see that, you for check and wear. That is like a no. Then number 4, I hope I'm correct, yeah, they start asking you for, like, you know, sexy pictures, nude, you know, those things. Please run. This one is, please run. There's no need to talk too much. Please just run, like, you know, run. Literally, like, you know what, run, because Mr. Man is not serious. Mr. Man is not normal. Don't even continue any conversation. This one, there's no room to let me even check small. Let me see, maybe. Please, there's no maybe. There's nothing to check. There's nothing you want to see. You have seen everything. Sometimes too, you guys have not even agreed to be in a relationship. Just like, hi, hello, how are you? They don't even know your name. The next thing is, can I see a sexy picture of you? Hey, because you are what? Who are you? Oh. What somebody I will see online dating? Mouth cannot say it all. Like, you don't even know this person before. You just say, can I see a sexy picture of you? Not only sexy, sexy Rihanna. If you are looking for sexy picture, you don't know where you go and get it. Please, even if you guys are people who agree to be in a relationship, please don't. I beg you, don't try it. Don't even try it. Just, you know what, run, like run. You can even pull your shoe, hold it, and run 440. Please, I will advise you, run faster than Usain Bolt. You have to run. You take off one time, no discussion. The fifth red flag is always giving excuses whenever you want to meet up. You make plan to meet up today. You say, oh, sorry, I'm so busy with work, I can't make it today. Can we make it next time? Okay, I've heard you. Next time you make another plan. Oh, sorry, my mother is sick, I can't make it, you know, I have to go and, like, you know, be there for her. Okay, understandable. You make another appointment. Oh, you know what, my dog is not feeling too well, I have to take her to the vet. Cool, what's going on? It's only you all these excuses, only on top of one person's head. Only you all these excuses. Please no, this is a big sign that he's not ready to see you, he's not interested, and like, there's not even any need to talk too much. Just say, okay, I've heard you, please just find your way. Like, my sister, find your way. Literally, just find your way, because that brother is not ready. That brother is not serious. That brother is not interested. That brother is just using you to play games. That brother is just fooling you. That brother, I don't know what to say, but you understand, like, you get it. Because you cannot be saying that only you have all these excuses every time. When is it that is the day that you want to see me that suddenly there's all these excuses? So you for no. And the sixth red flag is, oh, can we meet up in so and so hotel? Really on a first date? Like, on the first date, it's already telling you, let's meet at so hotel. Please, sister, be careful. Be very, very careful. If you want to meet someone on the first date, please, there are many other places to meet. Yes, so there are many other places. And there's another trick they used to play. They will tell you, oh, I live very far from where you are, so when I come, I would like to, like, sleep over in your city, like maybe rent an hotel and sleep over in your city. Hey, it's a lie. It's a lie. Don't trust it. Don't trust them. It's just a scope so that they want to spend the night in the hotel, but when they come and see you, they want to make you, you know, +1 inside the room. I don't know if you are getting it. They will want you to become their +1 inside the room. You just hear someone telling you, hey, I would like to stay in an hotel. Please just tell him, okay, it's not a problem. Yeah, there are many hotels in my city. You can, you know, you can actually, like, spend the night, but I will not be spending the night with you. Like, make sure you state it out to him, like, before he even, like, come on that trip. Make sure you state it down. He says you'll be spending the night in an hotel or sleeping over. Let him know that you'll be doing it on his own. You are not going to be a partaker of that, you know, whatever he is thinking. If that is what he is thinking, because maybe genuinely he's coming from far, he wants to stay in an hotel, perhaps he doesn't have that in his mind. But just to be, you know, to be sure, just make sure you mention it before he comes, so that not that when he now comes, he will not be saying, oh, I thought you knew we were supposed to spend the night together, I thought you understood. Please tell him on the phone, like, that instant, that brother, uncle, mister, I'm not spending the night with you. Yes, you can stay in an hotel, but singular, you are going to sleep, because there is no plural in that situation. That is it, because there are many places to go for your first date apart from an hotel. So even if you will be sleeping in an hotel, you guys can meet like somewhere else, have your first date, have your nice time. Then you cannot be going to this hotel to sleep while you self carry your bag. Oh yeah, go your house. So that's another red flag you should watch out for. Then the seventh and the last for this video red flag you should watch out for is he's getting too controlling over the phone. Like you guys have never you have never even actually gone that far. Are just in the early stage, in the basis. You're just starting. Already like monitoring you, asking you questions, getting angry unnecessarily, just being possessive, just being please uncle, wait, what is going on? Hey, let me give you an example. It's like when did you sleep last night? I was like, oh, at about 11 p.m. What were you doing till 11 p.m? Oh, I was just browsing the internet, nothing really, just like scrolling down my phone. But you told me you were feeling sleepy and you were going to bed at about 10:30 p.m. when we finished talking last night. Oh yes, that is true, but I could not fall asleep, so I was just like browsing my phone and all that. This morning when I checked, your last scene was showing me 1 a.m. Why are you telling me you slept at 11 p.m? Like already giving explanation, like all this long talk on top waiting, like on top what? It's not like he has paid your bride price. He's asking all this question. It's not like you guys have even entered the relationship like proper all these questions. See, when you just see this, it's a sign. Just run away. Just run away from this mister, because it's a sign that you should not overlook. When a man is getting over possessive, controlling, excessively jealous, just like being angry unnecessarily, monitoring all your movement, monitoring this and that, please just know that it's time to pause. It's time to pause. Oga, if for wait, move back first. Auntie, pick your shoe and run. Run very well, because you don't want to be in that kind of situation, because that kind of man is a man that tomorrow he can he can punch you. If you don't want that, advise yourself at that beginning stage, and you know what, find another direction. Yes, so that is it on today's video. Hope you guys enjoy watching. Please, if you have watched to this point, I say thank you. And if this is the first time coming across my face across this channel, I say you are welcome. Thank you. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell beside it, so that you'll be notified whenever I post any new video. And to my returning subscribers, we for dance. So for what? We for dance. G's partners, my G's partners, my G's partners, thank you for always coming back to watch your girl. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. I do not take you all for granted. See you all in my next video. Bye.